Alright guys, okay, I got a big one. Yeah. I don't know what it is. Everybody, and welcome to Big Bite Bones. Once again, I'm located at Florida or Key West, and I'm in the 7 Mile Bridge. And today seems like a very windy day. It's a beautiful day though. I'm not quite sure if I'm in slack tide or if the current is going towards the Atlantic side. So we'll see what happens. I don't see any current. The good news is I do see pilchards on the other side, so that's a good sign. So we'll see how today goes. All right, but we got to start with this. We always got to start with this. So away she goes. So at least I know where the current is heading. Is once again heading the opposite direction as where I would like to go. Is going into the Atlantic side, and I wanted to switch it over to the Gulf side. And as you remember last time, it never switched over. So hopefully today, as the sun is coming down, that will happen. So we'll see what happens today. All right, let's start some fishing. So today we're gonna start with some squid. We have shrimp. We have silver sides. So we have an assortment of things here. We'll see what we're gonna use. We'll start with some. I'll start with some shrimp. And then I'll use silver sides as a shum enhancer. We'll see how that turns out. Alright. Alright, so let's start with some shrimp. But of course I'm gonna put it on the other side. Yeah, and this always happens when you start. Alright, but look. Gotcha. Oh, it's a puffer fish. Alright, so we're gonna start the day with a puffer fish. And he's cute. Alright, let's let this guy go. Show you guys this camera right here. Check out the little horns he's got right here. Pretty neat looking fish. Pretty. No. Gotcha. Ooh, I think it's a yellowtail. Yeah, it's a yellowtail. Small one though. Check that out. Alright, let's let this guy go. Alright. We'll get you out. Got something. Oh my goodness. It's a big puffer fish. Let me tighten up the oh my god, one of the biggest I've ever caught. Aim the camera down. So this thing is pretty big. One of the biggest I've ever caught. Oh, look at that. See where this hook is. Way in there. See if I can get it out of you, bud. Hey, what are you doing? Where are you going? Alright. Sunset on one side, fishing on the other. Oh, there's these huge tarpons. Can you guys see them? They're like right there. See that? Right there, they're going that way. Oh, there goes another one. Right there. See that? That's a tarpon. Huge. They're biting. Ooh, clean me out. Looking at the tarpons. Biting on it. Biting on it. Gotcha. Ooh, he's running. What is this? Oh, that's it's a mutton snapper. Oh wait, that's a lane snapper. There you go. So that's a lane snapper right there. Oh. So the way you know the lane snapper is because of this. is round right here. So having it round like that, that's a lane snapper. They have this distinctive dot here. And these guys need to be at least 8 inches to be legal. All right, let's let them go. Back to the spot. Clean me out. Oh my goodness. There you go. Gotcha. Another mangrove snapper. Oh, it's a nice one. Check it out. That's another nice mangrove snapper. Small though. Definitely not a keeper. This guy's probably like 8 inches, 7 inches. And these guys need to be about 10 inches. Yep. So into the water. There he goes. Alright guys, I think I got a big one. Yeah. know what it is. Whoa! Check that out. Woo! Yeah, check that out. That is a biggie. That's a big one. Woo. What is it? A mangrove snapper? I don't know what this is. It's definitely a keeper. Not sure what it is. Mangrove snapper? White mangrove snapper? Big though. Guys, yeah, check them out. That's a big fish. I think it's one of those white, I don't know, white grunts. Yeah, he was fighting hard. It's definitely a keeper. All right, starting to pick up. All right, guys, so I'm gonna call it a night. It's still early, but oh my God, the wind and everything is really, really cold. Anyway, I caught a couple of great fish, and if it wasn't for this wind, which is making the temperature really cold, then I will stay a little bit longer, but I just can't stand it anymore. All right, so guys, thank you for joining us once again, and I'll catch you on the next one.